Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been a little bit MIA at the moment because, well, life has just been kicking my butt lately, and I do apologize for this. Like, these two kids of mine are just testing me, I guess you could say. I'm so incredibly tired. I'm lucky if I get 2-hour blocks of sleep at night time. But anyways, so today I have another grocery haul for you, and I've also taken some videos of what I already have on hand prior to a grocery shop. We are definitely one of those families that don't run down everything in the fridge pantry. If it was my way, I would, but my husband, he's very he just likes to stock up on everything all the time, and when he sees like an empty fridge, he just freaks out. Where, yeah, I'm the polar opposite. I would eat every single thing until it was gone and then do a shop. So yeah. Okay guys, hope you enjoy this video. Bye.